Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered how to analyze companies in the stock market? It can be overwhelming with so many companies listed. But here are two methods that can help: fundamental analysis and technical analysis. That's right. With fundamental analysis, we look at a company's financial statements, economic conditions, and other internal factors to determine its value. This approach is more suited for long-term investors who are interested in overall health and potential growth of the company. On the other hand, technical analysis involves using a company's historic data charts and other technical indicators to predict price movement. This approach is more suited for traders who are interested in making short-term gains based on price movements. Both methods have their own advantages and disadvantages, so it's important to understand which approach works best for you before investing. That's right. So there you have it, folks. The two types of analysis in the stock market: fundamental and technical. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.